Good evening, my sister. Good evening, my people. Please help me share this message. I'm back to my page again. Thank you very much, my people. Yeah. Thank you. I greet you. I see you, my sister Sophia, and you're doing well. You're doing a great job. We must get Biafra together. Biafra must come. And thank you so much for your great job, my sister. Yes. Oh hey Biafra, oh hey Duigodomigodo. Yes. Happy weekend to you all. It's a beautiful music, What did I say they wanted to do or they don't use or do their body? I saw it be. Biafra is here, Biafra is here. Be happy, my people. Be happy. Everything is good. What thing they say they wanted to do also, now they say they can't use and do. Yeah. The Bible said the evil shall slay the wicked. Whatsoever they plan, they shall use their head to carry it. Yeah. Invite your friends because this evening it's gonna be wonderful. So invite your friends. Now waiting Janja we said they wanted to do Biafrans. Now they said the coins and destroy today. Yes, Biafra, we must grow as a people. We moving forward. Yes. Biafra is here already. What did I say I wanted to do Biafra? Fulani don't use and do their self. Today we're going to analyze all to you guys. Keep sharing the message. What did I say I wanted to do the Biafrans and do the what? They don't use and do their self. No more hiding place for them anymore. They are destroying themselves with evil. Baba, you are wonderful. I see you, my people. I see you, Chijoke. I see you, Morgan Chooks. Good evening, and a happy weekend to you guys. We must be free. All of us must be free. We are one people, we are Biafra. We have no problem. Together we must get to that promised land. This is our young generation who make everything possible. Yes. This stress and trauma that we've been going through, this our young generation of Biafra and Duduwa will change the narrative. We're going to change everything. We cannot continue suffering like this. It's either we get Biafra and Duduwa or everybody in contraction perish. Nobody should remain. It's the best. Because we can't watch our life be ruined by evil people. Yes, it's the fact. My people, happy weekend. Me, I enjoy music small. Just 2 minutes, we'll start our message. I beg, please. Oh, hey, Duigodomigodo, oh, hey, Biafra, oh, hey, Oduduwa, oh, hey, all Biafra activists. Yes, happy weekend to you guys. Happy weekend. We move in a beautiful language, but not for everybody. Now for brave men and brave women. We tell them we'll never relent. Are we not winning now? Never. We'll never relent to. We will never capitulate. We will never give up. All Idu women, all Biafrans, all IPOP, we are together with Biafra. I see you, my sister Martina. I hope you are enjoying the music. Happy weekend. So that's so it be. All Biafrans, all Idu, everybody, we must get Biafra. We are ready. We tell them we are ready. Yeah? We are ready, my sister. God bless you, Sophie. I'm seeing your job. You're doing great, you know. Yes, our people are waking up. Everybody, we are all waking up. Don't worry. Biafra is here already. Keep sharing this message. Please invite your friends, my people. Yes. Yeah. May I pause and small. We get other things to do. You know, yeah. I thank you guys. I thank everybody. So this evening, no be small thing we get to talk this evening. Very, very big things, you know, what we want to talk this evening. Very, very big things. Yeah, you see, it very funny, but we must talk the truth the way it be. And first of all, I want to thank everybody. I thank all Idu, Igodo Biafrans. I thank all Biafrans. I thank Oduduwa people. I thank you, Sophia, because I see video where you release this today. You know, when our mothers do in the past, they did it in the past. You release them again today for the world to see how brave our women are. And for those people where be say that they criticize Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, you remember? Go watch Mazi Nnamdi Kanu talk. Waiting talk concerning our women. He said in one of his broadcasts, he said, Igodo women are the first women that came out to broadcast, to protest concerning Fulani herdsmen terrorists in the contraption called Nigeria. So tomorrow, somebody shouldn't take their glory. I will not say, say every time people come out and they criticize, talk, go here, I know if you forget that broadcast. He said, Igodo women are the first women called February that do that the way you release, when you still release today. Sophia, now God will bless you. Show the word again. He told them, he said, Igodo women are the mothers, the first mother that came out to protest in the whole of the contraption called Nigeria. So tomorrow, nobody should change the history again. Say, can't give that glory to another people. That glory should be given to them. I know if you forget that broadcast. That broadcast still did. If not, it's not like when I go wash him. That makes him a great man. And that is to tell the world that Igodo, 100% they are in support of Biafra. The women, they are so much ready. The women are there. They are fighting. They are doing all they can to make sure that Biafra come. The men are there too. Everybody. That is to tell you we're in support of Biafra 100%. So if you are hearing some kind of rumor, on the ground, just believe me, they are not one of us. They are not one of us. They are the people that are trying to bring confusion to us. They are the people that have been working with the evil people to enslave the real aborigine of that land. This is one thing you must understand. And that is one of the reasons why you must not listen to such people who come out to talk. Where are they today? Fulani right now, they're in everywhere. That is what, first of all, I play that music all over my way. Wait till you say now Biafrans, now you won't use Adu, now Igbo, or now IPOB member, now you won't use Adu. Now yourself, you use Adu now. Now, where everybody don't they shout for a dose, they say, Fulani don't carry everywhere. Where would the civilian, where Igbe, where Oguname, they don't hide. Now make me play music. This kind of music we are playing today, they can never play them because they are not aborigine. They don't know where they will find them. I plan for them to understand so that they go know. Say the real people, we stand. We stand. The women, the true aborigine, they stand. The real men of Idu Igodo, they stand. We don't mind those ones where they come out, they talk rubbish. Because if you believe, not be by come out, they talk about artifact. Not be by come out, they talk about Benin is great, this one is great, that one is great. You talk about ancestor where you don't know the meaning of. If you talk about ancestor, then you won't make enemy carry the land of ancestor. And the daughters, People like us, them Wasofia and every other IPOB and Biafrans where they do land, where they protect the land, you go the thing say your ancestor go do them anything. Now that be true aborigine. Now the ancestor go listen to. Because these guys, that they try to protect the land of ancestor. You evil, you they try give the land of ancestor where you they pretend to love to enemy. So more than first of all, share this message. Make it reach them, Oguna me and all of them. May even go reach Oba Palace. So that they will not say we they were. We know they fear anybody. May it reach more than share them. May go reach Oba Palace, reach all of them. May they know say the true son of the soil that they talk. The daughters of the soil that they talk. The real people that they talk. We know they fear to go the fuck nyash. We not go fear you go they talk what you we not supposed to talk. That make us brave people. We know they do all those things. Where boldness will get up, but no get them. Not be said for math. If we get them, make it talk now. Boldness will get them. I bet they no get them. Boldness will Wasofia get where all Biafrans where they do get, they no get them. That is to show say now we get the land. If the land made them go sleep inside Shura, cost it tomorrow, now their head they will take care of them. Because if they love land where be said ancestor get, they will protect them. But they won't give our land where they claim say they love ancestor. Hypocrite. They won't give them to enemy. Then we were there, the feet say we no love ancestor. And now we love ancestor. Now we they fight say our ancestral land, which is Biafra land or Idu land, we no go give them to enemy. We go must protect them. Oh, come what may. That is say with the lie. Now, all of them don't go underground. They don't go hide. Now make me tired. They don't hear their voice again. I don't go hide. For that, I don't take everywhere. Nah. They don't fool everywhere. Now they don't come out. This one are waiting great Mazuna the count they fight for. This one are waiting Murphy Face they fight for. This one are waiting Wasofia they fight for. Now waiting Duke of Ubiaja they fight for. Now waiting Festus they fight for. Now waiting Victory they fight for. Now waiting every Biafrans where they do. Every IPOB where they do land they fight for. Now waiting all Biafrans where they where every tribe where made up Biafra they fight for. But some few individual you come out you can't talk anyhow. Now how it be now? I want bust your bubble. You see one man we talk of recent. We'll talk about that man. That way because you know so they say many tribes now made up Fulani, now made up a northern land. No be Fulani no. But I will come to that one later. One man he come out, he said, make all those Igbo leaders and southern leaders stop to they pretending. Now stop to they pretend. Shame never be upon now. Wait now, I love Nigeria pass. Shame never be upon now. He said that man, that professor they say BRB for Plateau for University of Just. He said men southern leaders stop to they pretend. More don't stop to they pretend because this country now not say no good. So why you go they pretend they join enemy kill your own people? He talk and go look in interview. More stop to they pretend. Shame never catch you now. Now Fulani people now northern people are going to tell us. More stop to they pretend. Nobody love Nigeria. This one I waiting with the tell you now for long say nobody love Nigeria. And I will tell you why nobody love. This man they tell you say southern leader. Now what kill una people finish? More stop to they pretend this country is not working. It can never work. Why we not come? Because yesterday of Nigeria is better than today. Una know. Anytime I want now because now they there now go they pro say I want enter power. Now I can do everything to destroy our own people where they fight to liberate their people. But by the time I don't get that power, as I don't come up for power again, now we'll consider the thing say, oh, and I'll consider join those where they fight for the same thing. But when I dead there, now go they pretend saying I don't see those things. But when I don't come out now, come they say, we love Biafra, we love Oduduwa. But when I dead there, what Oduduwa they fight? Where Biafra they fight, now no go support them. Now they pretend because I their power. He asks and I say, which kind human being I be? He asks, see. We be prophet. Our own we know they talk. I see I they talk every day. Nobody get what they want to do Mazuna Adikan. Unless I no get I. Mazuna Adikan will come out very soon. And nobody go do us anything. No man born of a woman will go stop the coming of Biafra. So you and me, I will be prophet. We go no. They tell now every day. I know they hide my own. Me I don't already see. I know be everything I will tell now. Mazuna Adikan we go come out. Many people, after 5 days when they carry, and I talk to many strong Biafra for phone. It go come out. Don't be safe for more. More una forget, more una just they do na hypocrite like they go and see whether it will come out. Continue. Now una self now go destroy. Hypocrite. This man wake up, this Awusama be the saying just person. He tell una oh I say why una they pretend. Meanwhile we don't tell una say nobody go fit repair Nigeria. If you just say like go and watch all my words where they talk they go. I say nobody, no solution. Even the day we be say our wonderful brother MCC Gobe, he come my platform. We discuss on this. I say no solution because now we know. Because we know. Now because if you greedy and you foolish, now you will still believe in one Nigeria. Forget, let's be frank to ourselves. If you foolish and you greedy, you stupid, now you will still believe in one Nigeria. One Nigeria, no solution. I don't go watch all my video. I tell you once, I say for Igbo, even 10 years for Igbo, if you come Nigeria, I go tell you say no solution. The solution are to break this land. That go make everything good. I don't talk all my video. And see go back when me talk, he bring, I still tell him. I dey talk at every blessed. Thank God now, another man don't still tell him and say, why will I not go? Now they pretend. What do now they pretend for? Oh, now I love Nigeria, pass. I ask now that if Fulani love Nigeria, they will create Boko Haram. They go they release Fulani herdsmen terrorists. And they ask you, the idiot will get from the south where they say they're useless. They go create Boko Haram. You know what's the beginning of love? Because when you love, you know go let her die. I want to use that one example. So if the Fulani love Nigeria, they will create Boko Haram. They will create Fulani herdsmen terrorists. They will create ISWAP. They go occupy the whole position. Thank God now one man they tell you now today. No, thank God it's not Igbo now. No be a sound. One I will say Idu or no be Idu, no be Idu person. One I will say now Idu or no be Igbo man now. One I call the say now propaganda of Idu people, propaganda of Igbo. At least go tell they say propaganda. They open because they don't so now stupid. Now, naturally, you see this Southern hypocrite will do now, but now God go help you, and that's why sufferness will not be suffer. Now continue to the suffer they go because now wait to stop you like a man to speak. You know say if you speak to Buhari like a man, he not go kill you now. Last time I asked you, I say what you now want? Idiots they say they want to stay one Nigeria. Idiots. Now no fit talk like man. If they go ask, he ask you now. Like me now, Buhari go ask me what I want. At last, oh God. We won't break Nigeria because I will give you these things better. Make we no fight. We won't break this Nigeria. We'll they trade in peace. Now I go like man. Why you they fear to go fuck Nyash? Although na so Nyash now they fuck they go for Caliphate land. Because now they fear to always. Now the word I go use for una today. No be shame. Another person I can't they tell una today. Say why the Southerners that they shame to talk? What is them? Why they shame to talk? You know be shame on our side. I bet all this hypocrite youth will get from the south. Some of the hypocrite youth will get for the south. Now never shame. Now say nothing. They tell una say even the real people know say Nigeria no go work. Say why una leaders they pretend? Why una they pretend? Because I pretend you can't pretend to love something. Like me, I don't love Nigeria, and I cannot pretend to love it. It's not working. So if you are a true man, you should not pretend to love something. For Esan, I be for Idula, they say, I horror will be a barrier. You know they use shame, it will go kill you. I horror will be a barrier. You know whatever you no use shame, it will go kill you. Now why you do language? You use shame, the it will won't kill you. That's all not be. No wonder that they want place. Go look country where they function. They come, they speak like men, speak like women. Those when want talk like real people. This man is shame all of una there. He said, why una they pretend? Why una they pretend the leaders of the South? People like Tinubu, Wike, because Basaki no dey. That one, you know, the presidency no concern. I may do your work well. Wike, and what did they call the other one? Hope Uzodinma. Willie Obiano, Tinubu. This now they ask now the other politicians then. Why would they pretend? He asks now. And the other one now we see one I call they fight for Isa Asurok. Now no be Saro. Now they fight for Chamber. Now they fight for House of Assembly because of 3%. Now they fight because I want more. Can you imagine what it belongs to now? As what you want leader talk for them? He said what in they see. He don't already see say. Nigeria don't break because this one for them to come and protest, that they fear, but they already know say Nigeria go break. They are in support of the breaking up because I made this protest start now for inside the House of Assembly. That's why say that they pretend they don't want to talk, they mention 5%. Yes, they know you. So if you like pretend, that's why they tell you, say, till tomorrow, you can never rule. I be you never, in my mouth I talk. Not be every day I tell you now. I be prophet too. I tell you every day, say, not no go allow whether you be Dudu wow, whether you be Bini, whether you be Esa, whether you be Ijo, whether you be what they call am Urobo. It no concern that as long as that be Southern Nigeria, none of una go smell that position. This video they fly everywhere. They know they hide. They don't tell una say una no go smell am. Because one una no go smell am, they not say if na enter there, na go still go change narrative. They go suffer fate una. Wait then they suffer too. Go una they suffer today. They told us say them na no go enter there. And now re, they mean am. You know say they not be like una wey be hypocrite. Now make me they ask whether na be man, na be who una be, na be leader. Na no go smell am. They don't tell you. So now you want to make Nigeria okay. Now you can't love Nigeria. Because if this guy love Nigeria, they know what they use vulgar word to say. How will they talk to you guys? What else do you want from them? How else do you want them to tell you that Nigeria is not for you guys? How else do you want them to tell you or to talk to you that Nigeria is not for you, that all you need to do to survive and live like human beings is to break the contraption? They've been telling you all. They've been you be seeing their body sign and all that. They tell you, say you know go rule. Southern and no go smell them. They don't talk for video. They don't talk for audio. They don't hide anything. Everything one I don't bring all law one I don't say I go do. They talk, they reject all. So what else? So people when love one Nigeria, you just say they're going to do that thing. Oh, you just say people that believe in one Nigeria, do you think you will be saying everything and they will be turning it all down? Do you believe that? That is to tell you they don't love one Nigeria. Now you they cry. I bet Southern youth will now be hypocrite. Now they cry to love one Nigeria. Fulani no love one Nigeria. So now una go kill una self for one Nigeria. Thank God say all the OIPOB and good to do what they are ready. Make all of una go arm una self, wait for them. But you see this idiot, by the time this other hypocrite will get among us in the south, by the time Fulani they slaughter them, they wait for them because we will be Biafrans and the other will do what youth way ready. But una arm una self. Very good, we'll wait for it. But this idiots, where they pretend say that they love one Nigeria, by the time Fulani come, they will slaughter them because they no love one Nigeria. Fulani don't love one Nigeria. And they ask you how many things I don't give you. So if you like, pretend now you can't love one Nigeria. I ask you, those who love one Nigeria, one person go occupy the power. Those who love Nigeria, person who love Nigeria, he go tell you, say, you know, go become president. If they give you word where go provoke you, may you go hug transformer, may you die. That's you not be nobody. You don't even care whether you get Oni or Oba or what do they call them again? That one will be that idiot. Where they call the other idiot Obi of furniture. Where they say if Obi of the Chamona no let them go, go with una the camera, they come for that one. That idiot, all of them, the money, all those one, they don't care about you. That they give una hand, all of una say una be nobody. Because I be hypocrite. Grown up men. But if na more first Oba go fit tackle. Or only of Ife, all of them, they're going to fight their own people. Or be of furniture, all of them, they fight their own people. See idiots from the north, small children, rebels. Now they talk to una, I don't fit talk. But now feel they threaten our cities the way they fight for una. No be shame. You know, I know say me, I know they hide it. If you say me, if you be Southerner, stand, wait for me. The fact is that you Southern, some of you are hypocrite. We don't go hide them. And the politician, you are hypocrite. The only thing one I will do if you see me, wait for me. Because after all, now they kill una self. Now be enemy of una self. Now only what you will do me be time. You don't pass another one. That if you go survive and if you go succeed. But I come out till we get Biafra. I will continue to the tackle una wey be Southern youth. I never see people wey be hypocrite like una for the world. Fulani don't tell una. They don't speak body language. They don't insult una. They don't throw word. Nothing where they never talk to una. Now keep on they pretending. Hey, we love Nigeria. Every Nigeria must remember one. Now you love Nigeria pass. Are you love and pass? He asks you. He asks, now you love and pass. That man, they ask all of you. Because people who love Nigeria, see, they tell you, they not go use vulgar word. Like, you know, go rule. No Southern. They're not even they hide it. No Southern go rule. They not even mention maybe you be Yoruba or you be Benin Combo. That's not Southern now. Why they not say all family no they among? Oh, be of furniture family no they are long. Oh, only of Ife family no they are among. We they talk about. They say you Southern. Son of betrayer, or should I say son of betrayers will get for our land. Now we use our head carry what to now they plan with the enemy. Our land will remain for the Oduduwa and the people of Biafra. But every hypocrite, every traitor will get from the southern land. If we want na the plan, our ancestors go scatter on our head. Some way go they get accident, some way go they die, some way go sleep, no wake up. That's what God will tell you now. Because shame one that they bring upon our ancestors is too much. It's too much. Oh. Shame one that they bring upon ourselves and our ancestors is just too much. I tell you now today. I tell you now. It's too much. We could not hide anything for ourselves this evening. The shame just too much. God make it, I tell you now, you remove everybody. You remove anybody. You hear say Oba family no dey among the southern away say no go rule. Oh, you Esa no dey. Or Benin no dey. Or Ijo no dey. Or Ishekiri no dey. Or Yoruba. He say you southerners. And it's the truth. They know all of us now. Forget this hypocrite where you get within yourself, call the breed division now. Now you will suffer. He never said now. Just because of power. For una to come together, who can be the Fulani? My people want to share this message. I want to tell you one word then. You know, say nobody don't ever believe, say. Everybody just they believe, say. Now that man, people, some few people might go there, say, even the North, they get reach 20 tribes. I won't let you know. Now, these 20 tribes, where they get rich. Inside these 20 tribes, I want to ask those Northerners and every other body. So, my brother, I begin to the cause us. Now be coward. Nigerians now be those where they claim Nigeria now be coward. So you mean say Northern get 20 tribes. And we can't count Oduduwa with Biafra together, we go get maybe reach 40 to 50 tribes. They want tribe hold us ransom because of greedy people. My goodness. I don't know where these people for come. These are our people where they betrayed us. You know, say yesterday, they hear the word and they laugh. So 20 tribes they not. And Fulani they handle now. 20 tribes they not. Fulani they handle these 20 tribes because of betrayal where they get among the other tribes. And they'll do the one of Biafra. If we say more calculator, we get this maybe 50 to 60 tribes. So one tribe they hold all of us ransom. My brother, I'm not going to the shame now. I'm not with the shame now. To mock with the shame because for me, I don't talk about anybody will come meet me. If this Biafra, no, we don't fight to get this Biafra. Anyone idiots will come meet because they say, oh, but talk about one slap where I will give you and your person where they call that about talk about you will die for my present. If you be a dude, why you can't tell me say you great to be Omo Yoruba. Go be say Omo Yoruba the great or dudu Oba talk about the great or this one the great. One people they hold all the whole tribe where we say they are born in ransom. We quiet. If you talk and one slap where if one man no go tell me say talk by now, what do you want make a talker? What did they bring that level? Oba no go tell me say Oba talk by you know go try for my presence. You know say we know they I don't know as I want to tell we know they fear anybody again because I don't know as I want to tell you. We don't hate anybody, but the truth must be spoken. The truth must be said the way it is. You can't tell me you are brave, my way be say one tribe, they hold everybody. So you mean say one Fulani one tribe, now they hold the 20 tribes for inside North. Now they hold about 60 to 70 tribes for Oduduwa to Biafra land. And tomorrow why idiot they tell me so about talk by why idiot go come Oduduwa Yoruba do this one and the other one are so strong, one tribe. Even now, okay, now not even fight, now even to both talk, now not if you talk to them. My brother, this thing get a bio. Okay, you see, more than 100 tribes for the North, my brother. But Fulani don't spoil all their name. They don't even talk because they corrupt the leaders where they represent them. Ha, Bamena. Then they can't count Oduduwa and Biafra together. Tribes where they if we say more count that there is 200 to 300. At the end of the day, one tribe where no reach 20 million, I the whole all of us. My brother, God forbid. I say if any person come near me, tell me say mo we saw bad talk pay or this one if Obi of furniture he do this one and I saw that slap where I go give you for your teeth go dey grant. We don't already dey do amokuna know. One tribe. Even no not even go war. Come and talk like a man. You know fit talk. You still they pretend we go where I go now. May go tell them say they love one Nigerian. I been never hear say they say Southern you know go ever smell position. You never hear. Tomorrow now they say I won't go on a protest. We not forget to we they wait for una. More una go and we go see una what una won't do. Yes, we go see una. More una go. More see what una won't do. And shame way don't we want shame you now. Aigbe and Aigbe Ogun Aigbe Ebodage. Oguna me shame way won't catch now. Would civilian shame way don't ruin our life now. Everybody wanna don't bring word, they don't come back. You see that our wonderful brother, Agbo brother, we wanna don't bring word before the boy don't come back. He begin to insult you because real man go sit down, go calculate. Say, are you saying something? You know bounce back to you. He insult you, saying that God go punish you. They look for cream when he won't give you an hour. It come because people don't wise. You be the expert say MCC go beg go support you. It don't leave you. These are men we get wisdom because they are land full and full on. It be like I tell you any Sama or any do man from every do igodo where you go join you say in the talk of one. You don't say that stupid person and our ancestors go kill him. Go be saying mama that they kill them for land, that they rape their own people, that they destroy the land. Our ancestors, I repeat, any Sama. Any Afema, any Idu, Gorish, all Gorish Idu, all the Bini, all of us, all. Wake up one day say he believe in one Nigeria. Whether na king go or anybody, now our ancestor go kill him. Now me tell now God Almighty go strike him, all of them go perish. Because their mama, they rape them. They not fit farm. They not fit do anything. They are not what they fit do again up till now. Not the way they know, but not the way they fit do again. People, the one way they catch will be out recently, they collect rams or finish, they kill them. This one are waiting Mazuna the count, they try protect them for me, they no kill them. They collect rams of it, they kill them. That's what they do. Then now God won't show now. Walk where be say Mazuna the count they do and all Biafrans. You know, so one day affect us, how we say Mazuna the count and Biafrans and all Biafran way they do, all of us, yes, everybody don't go that grant. May they give una 2 months, they no just talk, we'll just go that grant. Then una go cry for up there, go slaughter una so they no go see anybody for una land. Because una know they see. How una want to see una where they call una self a hero of the land? You won't be saying they leak to toe, they go for everywhere. What do you want they know whether ancestor? How they want to see you? You where they fuck people wife they go. How you want to see whether ancestor they or whether God they show person something? So you know if you compare yourself with you where they give our women belly they go they leave them they go. How you want to see whether ancestor they show something? You where they do that's what no matter how we preach it now. I know they know because we will not be one. We will not be one because waiting with the soon I know will see. Is the truth. It never happened now. Yes, because brave men, you can't kill them. You can't kill us. I want to kill us. What they want to do when we want to kill? We are brave. Because many things they will they forbid when we say, you they do, they go for everywhere. That's why even if after they kill you, you'll still they say, I love it, I love it, I love it until you die. Because you're no longer man. You are no longer man. All of them don't hypocrite life. Now don't destroy. I don't even believe whether ancestor dead, whether God dead. Now know they sit. Even some of now year to year, I know they dream. God know they show now anything. It's the fact. So that's why now they believe say Nigeria are good and we love Nigeria. We love Nigeria. Now they will come kill you. We love Nigeria. We love Nigeria. They will come kill your mama. But the spiritual people now that they speak to and say, wake up. They are coming. They are coming because they're still there. Where be say they no go ever do taboo things. Taboo. We no go ever do them. Taboo. That's why we they tell you say nothing. You don't say we they hide anything. Nothing where you go do if you like go swear, carry your shrine, go up palace, park and go everywhere. Now you go kill now. You wait they do partner. You won't go swear for me. Now you go kill. You won't come swear for me where they try to protect our ancestral land. Can you imagine? And you will remain mute. So you can't gather and their ancestors will come, they look you and won't kill this boy. That be you that will fake you. Now you will have to go return to. That thing at your head, he go first take you. I don't say at the time one day will be say, when you do, when Biafra don't come, we'll come bring apology. May everybody come teach history. Forget this fake history. Now they will consider, come they tell you now, wait till our land they forbid. We be true aborigine. The day we will come give lecture for that, everybody for the whole do they go they run. You will not say, this way that they do now, I make the land yeah. Now I make the land yeah. Wait till our ancestors they forbid and all, they bring God back. Now I make everywhere spoil today. What's our ancestors they fear before? Abi you don't know say you never hear say when Fulani come Esan land, the Esan conquer all Fulani in the past. All he do, all of us they fight. Today when them, they don't be men again. They don't sell their soul to devil all of them for the whole Edo state. They are where them which Oba family won't fight. Where they? Those one were involved for human trafficking, carry their daughter they give prostitute. We know they do one. Our daughter they be queen. Abi which one we want to? When they destroy land, they kill people, they go kill your own people. Go back home, they grow. Nobody they kill anybody. Until now introduce court is come. Now then you won't come swear for me. Can you imagine one idiot said they go say, hey, come and do now. If you see Oba, you fit who be Oba? Oba now God he be. For you now he be God now. Tell me what you can concern with your Oba. But I go tell the truth till the word end. What's my business with your Oba that doesn't care about you? What will go give me? Many things they will not go fit tell, but one very soon I will see. What it go happen for that I don't. I go shock everybody because this one I wait I don't see for long. And I wait I no feel review for here. But the day when that thing go happen, I will constantly tell them I say this thing. I will call many people where I don't tell. Say see what I see. Finally, it don't happen. But they make math there. People where they destroy our land, our women before you do women will come they travel, come they suffer. I be want me to tell you our story. Eh? Today look all now you won't come swear for me, destroy our land. Where be say our own culture before if you be king or you leader, you see your fellow neighbor they suffer, you need to give them money, make they eat. Today I know they now you won't swear for me. And that word now the job of the king. Job of the king. Now that they give widow food and all that them. Now you won't come tell us now say you won't come curse us. Today widow will be say our father they give food before. Now even they kill them now. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? Then you won't come swear for us. Children, if any child no book for community, you don't see money to go school, they will say go meet king. Now it's duty. He go give him money, go school. If he become great, he go become community person. Everybody go know and say now our child. And today all of them hide. Now they store money for inside hard for us king. More than no worry. Now very soon we'll stop working. If now what you now what? I guess so. If now what you now what? How no, he never said. Then I want to talk another one. Igbokwe. I hope all of you hear what it come out for Igbokwe math. This one an evil thing. We're not supposed to come out for people math. Igbokwe say, hey man, what Fulani no go see you now finish. Then they interview Igbokwe. Igbokwe they tell person where they interview and say, you see what Yoruba do? Yoruba they kill Abiola. They even kill his wife. And the Yoruba remain mute because they have sense. So make Fulani come they kill all of us. We go quiet them because we need power. Make they come they kill our great men. But people, they call Southern leaders. They call them. I tell you the truth, they call Southern leaders. No be safe for mad. So if go quick come out, then they interview you. And so what are you trying to insinuate? What are you trying to insinuate? What are you trying to tell us? What are you trying to tell the people? So are you trying to tell the people of Biafra and the people of Oduduwa that they should allow Igbo to be killed or to allow our people to be destroyed because we need presidency? Something must be wrong with you, Igbokwe, and your generation. You are a disgrace to black race. You are the kind of people that ruin entire Africa because you are greedy. You know, I know this kind of Igbokwe will come become president tomorrow. Not being go give everything to Igbo. Not the truth now. Oyibo go pack or give nothing. The reason why they tell you say Oyibo no be a problem. Such person like Igbo, if he managed to become president tomorrow, he will give everything to the white people because he is stupid. He is stupid and foolish. He will follow them sheepishly and stupidly because he believes so much in vanity. So that is why he says, stop blaming white people. So this idiot like Igbokwe that is saying this thing in the presence of everybody, in the front of camera, everybody is seeing it. Igbokwe is saying the Yoruba race, they are sense, they have sense. They kill Abiola. So you are mocking Yorubas now that they kill Abiola, they kill his wife, and because of that one, Yoruba remain mute because they have sense. At the end of the day, they give them political position. How about it now? Make all what black way the America come watch that thing now. Una way they cause or Ibomona watch that thing. Mona see leader one at the president because tomorrow now they will give that idiot position. And he will come represent you. We believe say if you kill one person for in kindred, or you kill one of his person, that will offer him power. Hey man. This one a human being. This guy, are they human being? This one's that be human being God. We believe say leader they try protecting people. Igbo when they tell us say the Yoruba they kill their own the Yoruba quiet when they kill Abiola. They kill Abiola while they remain mute. At the end of the day, they give their political position because they have sense. They have no sense. I'm not insulting all Yoruba, but those that remain mute at that time, they were stupid and foolish and greedy. You don't call it sense. You call it stupidity and greediness. So because we need power, are you telling us because somebody want to become president in Oduduwa land, or as a Yoruba person, or as Biafra person, Esan or Bini or Igbo man, want to become president for that reason, he should allow them to kill the great person. If I want, I'm gonna go kill Oba and make one person become president. And that's the truth. Now what I go meet Oba or go meet Oni, not be other individual where they fight now with the king. I go meet them then. They make you come give us president. It not be shame now for human being to come and come to talk this kind. Go kill your Obi of furniture. They give the president. And we they tell you. May they give the president. May they know they kill innocent people or poor people where they fight for the truth. May they go meet those who are king and them obey them only of Ife. They make you give the president. Now because now they go touch all those ones. Is it not shame on your side? No, not be shame now. For human being to come they vomit this kind of rubbish. This vomit where they vomit now they vomit. That's all of them be. Why? Because of power. Does it make sense? Just because of power. Huh? Does it make sense to anybody now? Waiting with they talk now. Huh? It makes sense with what all those idiots they do. It makes sense. So because we need power, maybe they kill our people. Now now you see those one they call it that you they give for any more power now. These are foreigners where be say you suppose they tackle, they fight. These are foreigners where be say don't even be aborigine. Now you they do this rubbish to please people where you know understand what it be education or diplomacy. These are people that doesn't understand education. They don't understand diplomacy. They don't understand what is called education. They don't understand what is called peace. Everything about them is violence. Now you they talk to. So you they give them more access to be killing the people of Yoruba. I think they'll do the what people should chase you out of the Yoruba land for saying the truth. You Yoruba must change for saying that rubbish. It's not truth, it's rubbish. The Yoruba people, if you have sense, drive Igbokwe out of Yoruba land because Igbokwe, should I say the idiots have been berating you guys. The idiots have been belittling you guys. The idiots have been destroying your name. That is the truth. This is the time for you to chase the idiot out. For him to come out and say the Fulani killed Abiola and his wife. At the end of the day, the Yoruba remain mute because they need power. At the end of the day, they give the Oduduwa, the Oduduwa used to chase that idiot. Now you know you have another enemy in your land that is working with Tinubu to destroy your race. Go and do it. Huh? Go and do it. Oduduwa, you should go there. Go and chase away that criminal who is trying to destroy your name, who is trying to destroy your land. Chase away Igbokwe and his family for saying that kind of word, because that is kind of, I've never heard that kind of word in my life before. For someone to say, it means Yoruba people are nothing. It means Yoruba people can exchange their people for anything. For you to come out and say the Yoruba people remain quiet because they have sense. Abiola was killed. At the end of the day, Abiola's wife was killed. Then at the end of the day, the Yoruba were so quiet, they offered them power. So they should kill the whole Yoruba great people and be offering them power. Yeah? For land that belongs to the Yoruba. Because if we say the Aborigine, Fulani are not Aborigine. So they have no right to offer anybody power. Even in the first place, no Fulani man have the right to speak in Nigeria. This is what you must understand. Not to talk of grabbing presidency and thinking who to give power to. This is what you guys must understand. These guys are from Chad, Niger, Mali. Even we remember way back they were fighting Gaddafi. Gaddafi used to kill them a lot because they are criminal and evil people in nature. Sometimes they will just move from Chad land and start killing the people of Libya. Then Gaddafi will bring out his army and start killing them too because they are thieves. They go there to steal cows, to steal wealth, to rob the banks. So these are the people Joe Igbokwe is saying, Oduduwa, we are so good because they believe in power. They are so nice because they have sense. So what are you trying to say? This thing is vanity. And in 50 years' time, 30 years' time now, let's say 20 years' time, Igbokwe will be regretting everything. He will be saying, then they all know what they are doing. They all know what they are doing. I don't want to let nobody should tell us that I don't know. You all know. You are not a baby. That is why when you were young in White Mala, they call you juvenile, young kills, young pencil. Nobody can do you anything. But when you are 18, you are wise. You know the good and bad and evil. Huh? You wake up, stand there, they say, no, leave me. The Yoruba, they are wise. They know what they were doing, and that is one. Scheiße, my goodness. These are the kind of people we have. And tomorrow they will manage to bring this kind of person and tell you, oh, he can become your president tomorrow, and they tell you he's going to represent you. And at the end of the day, you would think this man is going to do a real deal with the white people to bring good things to you. No, this guy can sell out all your community to them for free, as long as him and his children and family are living fine. This is the problem of Africa. These are the kind of people. Because a true leader will never allow you to touch any of his citizens. Anyone, I say. Look at the Western world today. What is happening? If you kill any of their citizens, they will mourn and mourn and mourn, and every year they will be remembering that person that you killed. So how many of your people have your leader be killing? Have they ever remembered any one of them? Of course, no. Then you want the white people to respect you. When your leader kill you like chicken, not what is chicken, like shrimps. Shrimps and chicken, they kill you always like chicken. They don't even talk about you. But go to the Western world, when they kill two persons today, they will be remembering those people every year. Yesterday I was watching them where they were, where France was, doing this commemoration of some people that they killed about 2 or 3 years ago, that the terrorists killed. And meanwhile, your people are being slaughtered daily, and morons are still celebrating. You can never hear them share word of condolence or say sorry or every year to do any commemoration, because they are evil. And tomorrow you want the whites to respect you. You want the West. Why would they respect you? When your leaders are killing you like chicken. When those you call leaders can even come out and say, come and kill my community. Kill everybody in my community, as long as you allow me to become president or governor. Or even senator, I can offer you my ancestral land. I don't care about the poor people. And you call them leader. Then you call them leader. You call them leader now. Is it not shame? No, the thing, it not be shame, it be. When they talk, not be shame. Is it not shame on everybody? Is it not shame on everybody? Every youth from the south. Is it not shame on you guys? There's somebody from Sahel. These people, go, what are they talk? Go Niger a day. They know they see 15 naira a day. Niger or Chad. They know they feel work see 1,000 naira. Because normally before your 1,000 naira and 4,000 naira, they know they see them. These are places who will know. But today you allow them come Nigeria. They will just come kidnap you, give them 1 million naira, 500,000, 300,000 naira. They never see this kind of money for their life. So why they not bring more people? Because you allow them to be doing that. This one of people will be saying, all the southern youth by now, you should have armed yourself to teeth. Arm yourself, maybe say, make it be blood for blood. Make it just the bloody for everybody. They go wrong. These people, they not be people, they not go school. I don't know if I want to talk to all those people. That's why they cry for everybody from Idu. Esan, Idu, Bini, everybody wake up full and they not go school. They not be people who be saying they talk. You get school for everywhere for Idu. This guy go, I got the school no day. You know they understand. They don't get school. Now where we know. They don't get school there where say they won't tell you what it, they understand what it be education. Everything about them are violence. The only thing where you fit they conquer and when you get the same thing where you get, they fight them back. They go come up for your forest. You think say Buhari, you say as not don't complain they talk because now be fool. How criminal won't conquer you? You're gonna tell one useless idiot where be say they support criminal say, Oga, should I fight the criminal that came to kill me? Or should I drive them back, sir? The criminal that came to kill me. Wait for the happen. Now make Mazuna come they tell you every day say. Nowhere where you will carry Nigeria case go where Fulani go win. Because self-defense is allowed. Even here they tell you say Hunter, you know they beat his wife. Hunter, he cannot beat his wife. Now law. He cannot beat another person because they don't say he get gun. Not to talk of suppose he carry gun, call the kick you on a forest every day. Now they say, idiot, they say, we must follow the law. Now they wouldn't civil because me, I don't believe in law. Nigeria have no law, so we have no law. It's my own belief, no law. To me, I don't believe Nigeria have no law, so we have no law. So you can't tell Fulani, say, you can't tell person where people, I tell you, Fulani from Niger, from Chad, these guys, they have no money in the first place. They are poor people. Now, how will they afford AK-47 1,000 euro or 300,000 to say? If not the Fulani politicians that are buying this thing from them to conquer you guys. Now this gun is in their hand. They all have guns in their hand. And you keep telling those that bought those guns for them to be killing you. You keep asking them if you will defend yourself. Sir, we need your help. Which help do they ask your governor in the south before they arm them, before they give guns to the Fulani? So why would you be asking Buhari, the Fulani herdsmen, terrorist government, why will you be asking them if you will defend us, if you will defend Biafra land or Duduwa land? I don't understand. I don't know as I want to talk to our people. Fulani no go school. I know what they talk. All Niger, there is no school for our gardens. As a big risk. You can't see school. Their own school are that AK-47. They are rebel in nature. Now the food desert. They're the thief. They be criminal. They be rebel and lawless people. Ask anybody where they tell you. Then what are they tell you? If not lie, they lie. God no. And they whip for a Mazuna. They can have the only person way love when I understand these people. I don't even know how to even understand it because you don't travel. You don't even follow routes. We will follow route come abroad. Now we they tell now the truth. Now these people they don't go school. There is no school. They don't understand anything about education. They don't go. You don't understand? How I want to tell you? They stay full Europe. Many of them don't go school. Many of them will manage come Europe through there. They don't go school. They don't know. Now then you they say somebody don't even know how to talk. I don't understand. So how you want to tell zombie? You think about I don't know what you want to do. Why you not use the full anyway they sign Nigeria when you go park outside and come? Because outside and all there be zombie. They have nothing here. Now I don't understand. I don't know what I want to tell. I want to tell. They are zombies. They don't understand nothing. The only thing they know is killing. AK-47 24 hours. It did their hand for Niger there, for Chad, for desert. They are rebels. They survive through that. People when they come abroad, now that they collect their money, that they steal, that they go Libya, go rob, park cars, steal cars. But I don't know if it deny what we they talk now. What we know that they go Libya, rob, bank, thief, park cars, they rob, kill people. Now that job. So now you won't call it speak grammar for. And tomorrow you the time you say you be warrior. Does it make sense? It makes sense to now. If it makes sense, how long now? How long have you guys been complaining? Has anything been done? What have they done to change the situation? Up till now, you are still in the same place. The killing is getting worse daily. If not for Biafran and Oduduwa, if not for Mazuna Adikanu and Sunday Igboho, by now Yoruba race would have been gone. By now every Biafran our own would have been finished. Is the truth. So forget, well, let's not pretend. That's why they are still doing this rubbish. They still have the fear that the IPOB, they are on the ground. The Oduduwa people, they are there. They are ready. So they know that there is some extent that they will do this thing to. Every other people will wake up and say, we have no option. Let's just join Biafra. So that is the thing. That is one of the reasons why they are trying to seal if they can subdue IPOB and Oduduwa agitators. It will never happen. We will never agree. You know, so me, I know they hide my face. What are they tell now? I will tell Buhari. I will tell fucking Buhari. What are they tell you so? Because you were even the fear that you they won't kill. How else they will do with me? It's too much na dialogue. He go reach. How you they will kill because you are a coward. You be fearful man. You be coward. They can't see me say they won't kill me because they know how else it's too much. They go dialogue with me. I'm telling you, this is one of the reasons why you should be bold sometimes and talk like man. So if you think that because I come out for camera, I won't see you can't kill me. You know how many people they call me every blessed day. No, you know how many Aboki they call me every day. I be using every time they tell you. Thank God some of now they see them here sometime. Whether they write, say, bros, I will inbox you, we go talk. Where I don't insult them, where? Don't breathe that. I say, bros, I will inbox you, we go talk. Forget it, you are educated person, we will talk. Full I need train you, we are one. I know how many they call me. But I remember who I be because me I know if you take bribe one day this Biafra come, I give Biafra 100% guarantee. I be man, my yes na yes, my no na no. If I don't love you, I don't do anything with you. If I don't want to do, I don't want to do. But once I stand, I be that brave hero all of the years say they come from Edo. Now I be my yes na yes. I still say the last thing drop. I'll say yes. At least I try. But say you refuse to somebody like us, I go to manage even if I don't get nothing. I know how many of them they call me every day. I know you know how many people we they convert every day. We know how many. Never. We stand on the truth. So everybody too should stand on the truth. You they pretend now all of them go school finish. Now not get now go school finish, now not get work. See those way no go school. They call the grab on a place. One tribe. One tribe, they hold about 400 tribes ransom. And tomorrow you go, you will say you can't get time, go fight Ekene or Chukudi or Osaro go come they fight Onofe. Oluwa go come go they fight Bode. But your enemy fool, you know if you fight them. Not be nonsense be that. You be human be like that. No, I dey ask now. Because tomorrow, Osaro or Sas go dey fight Wasofia. Or you go come dey fight Onofe. Or you go dey fight Godwin. If you Ekene go dey fight Chukudi. Bode go dey fight Bamilole. They go dey fight themselves. Meanwhile, enemy the way they. My brother, I fear. Oh, I swear, I weep for now. You know, say in good country, every youth that they team up. If every youth from South, they don't remove anyone for now. They don't already call now. If every youth for Southern Nigeria team up, And all that tribe for North team up. Fulani 2 weeks, they don't come up for all Nigeria. I tell you, because you can't win them with, they not go school. You see, IPOB lawyers are we great. They speak English, our people they speak. Fulani don't understand English. That's why they try manipulate every of our case. They don't know. They don't know. Fulani don't know English. They don't go school. That's why they won't bring every Nigeria to their own way of life. Now, I don't understand them. I be somebody won't tell you again what they want. They don't go school. They don't know. They don't get time to go to spend time for class. Person come the cracky head, come read 4 years, 5 years. They'll come say, what they concern them? Come the crack brain like normal. They have no time. Now their own are gone. You give me or I kill you. So in this kind of situation, you two, now you leave me or I kill you. Can't you get it? You leave me or I kill you. I made the word come now. UN made the come. After all, UN, they are one of the most hollow things I've ever seen. Empty things for this in this world. They are one of the most useless organization and nonsense organization so far. They don't care. UN, they make their money through killing. The UN organization, they survive through war. So if you're thinking maybe they are gonna support it tomorrow, you have to fight before they will come. They don't care about you. You forget this rubbish UN you were talking. What is UN? Where is UN? Where is UN all this while when war was going on in, should I say, Sudan, Syria, and every other place? You don't know these people make their money through war. You don't know. What they make their money through, they don't care about you. They sell their weapon and make everything through war. That is why you see UN is in Nigeria and Nigeria government have killed nothing less than 500,000 people and they are not reporting it. UN they are in Nigeria and Nigeria government have killed nothing less than 500 to 600,000 people. UN are not reporting it because it's not their business. They make money through it. After all, they want to reduce you. They make more money. They sell their weapon. What's their business if you are? They want you dead. What's their business? They can only concern them when it's happened to European. And that is when they will speak out because they don't want it. I don't know. I don't know if I'm preaching to somebody this evening. I don't understand you guys. Africa must wake up because you are not serious. Many of you are not serious. You hide from the truth. You want to come to Europe always. You hide from the truth, and that is why they will keep making your land unbearable because that is where the wealth is. Until you rise up. Well, what they concern UN? You see UN they talk about more than 600,000. Only where you can see UN. If when UN they run head scatter, that's a big for everybody. You yourself no go fit stay there. Now then they will say, hey, don't settle. You come back, come they see their word. We have to. But if you remain mute the way it be, so they go give Fulani chance to slaughter all of now. They go they collect their money, they share and with it. You never know these people. Maybe now you never know them. I make you the talk. UN. So you think that they can't do good for you. The injustice now is in the land of Africa. Justice is for the West. Injustice is for the black. Can't you get it? And who make injustice because who make injustice to be for the black? The black too. Black allow that injustice to be happening because the black leader, the black president or the black governors, they are the one giving them that time. If I don't want you to kill my son, you or my people, you will never kill them. But if I allow you to be doing so, it means I cannot report it. I will allow you to keep doing what you're doing. Can't you get it? Injustice is in the land of Africa. Justice is in the land of the West. So the reason why there is injustice in the land of Africa is because your leader, your king, your chiefs, your politicians, they allow it. They survive through injustice, your leaders. And the West, they are happy too. Because when your leader keeps subduing you, they will keep stealing. But if you rise up against your leader and become the true people, there will not be chance for them to steal again. Can't you get it? This is one of the reasons why the young generation of this must stand up. It doesn't matter if you are Oba, if you are Oni, if you are Fobi of Furniture, if you are Sultan of Sokoto, as long as you are not in the side of the people, you will go down, or you have to live. Or you have to live the way for the people to survive. It's simple. Because African race cannot keep suffering like this. And who are the people making us to be suffering? Them. One thing you must understand. Then I want to say this again. Katrina Line, or whatsoever you call him, Katrina Line, or the useless woman from British. I hear now you don't tell everybody, say everybody say Katrina Long, don't they say they have open university for people to come study. Those that want to study, they need PhD. They want to study this course in UK. You now have they will give you visa to go there and study. Then you have to study for 3 years or 2 years. After 2 years, you have I think she said visa of 3 years. You can stay and live. Then after that, you have to learn work. You have to do some other thing. Our people must wake up. They are trying to bribe the youth because they know. I've been telling you because listen. There's so many things I don't want to tell you. I came here when I was young, so I understand them too much, more than you do. When I was young, I understand the West very, very well. They are trying to offer you something. France and UK, they are one of the most poorest people in the world. I want you to know this. They have nothing. They survive in Africa. France and UK, they rather die than to see West Africa grow. Because they survive through them. You are their life. You are their resources. You are the reason why they are living. You are the reason why they are living. Without West Africa, France and UK is finished. So right now they are trying to bribe you, the Nigerian youth, and some of you are saying, yes, PhD. To hell with the PhD and the school, forget education. If you have good country, you can study in your country and become whatsoever you want to become. Now let them give that education. Let them give the job that they are trying to give to our people. Right now, let them give it to the UK because there are so many British who have no job too. Or do they think we don't know? The job, see, that's what they deceive Africa. Hi, Africa, oh. Could you believe me? So up to today, impossible they come to Africa and say, we are here to help you guys. We're going to do this. We are going to do everybody clap. Obia, they don't come. Ask them the people where they Europe, your black way they Europe. They don't feel help them. You never feel help like 10 million black way they Europe, but you they come to where billions they say you won't help. No be shame. Africa, like who calls you now? Now what they ask every day? Who calls you now? Go there loud now. If you reach that UK, many British they don't get job. Not be said for what? The black way go school, there many of them don't get job. I mean not be TV where they watch every day say there's no job for many of them. So now that they tell you now, say make you work in Nigeria, come study. Those in moron where they house will never go abroad before they say when they go. By the time they go there now, they'll come they complain say like I didn't grab some way go school. I had my PhD, but I have no job. You don't know so that's how you go be before. Your people were there. Why you not ask them say if not why you not ask Katrina Lee say the immigrant black way they your country, why you not give them job? They don't get job. You they talk about those way they home. First give those one way they their job. Now so that they win our land. See today all these Europeans see they go Africa say we will offer you job. We are going to create everybody go they clap. Ask them say your black people where they their country how are they living? They're in mess. Even some of their white people they have no job. All I said that they give them money they take eat. Many British have no job. Not let anybody deceive you. The many British have no job. Up to I mean not be television where they watch every day. Many British people have no job. They have no job, so they come to you to bribe you again. Because some greedy one as among you now will be saying, yes, I want to go to UK. Okay? You go that school finish, you don't go get job. They go return you. They just want you to come everything. The one that they say they won't happen. Ask Katrina and UK Prime Minister say how many UK people no get job because they wash them because now make me say Nigeria are doomed. Now make they take they know they give you a light because after they give you a light for they wash all those things. Nobody need to tell you story. Now because of that, first of all, they make Africa that continent. Tell una leader make they know they give you a light. More than know they see news. If you they see news, you they see CNN, you they see France 24, you know say British have no job too. Many of them have no job. But now they come say he won't give African job because he want more be one Nigeria. He won't give Nigeria a job, more can't go school. No, we don't want go school. We go school for our land. Tell them say we won't go school for our land. Tell them we want to go to school in our own land. Tell them we want that education in our own land. We need Biafra. After all, we prefer black to teach us in our own university. We understand everything. We don't need to come to West to study. Teach your people your kind of education. Teach them the way you want it to be. Let our black lecturer to teach our own people. We must not come to you to acquire everything. It's okay. Thank you for the offer. We don't want it. Give us Biafra and give us Oduduwa. This is the only thing we want. We must not continue like this. Everybody, come, you now will be the things that be abroad now heaven. Because I saw imported deceivers countries today. Go France, go Italy, come Germany. Many of the black people, they have no job. Even if job, they won't offer you. But if they come your land tomorrow, they'll tell you, say, we will offer you job. Everybody go to the club. They say they don't put job for Europe. They go, that's why I no one work. You don't come Europe. You don't come where you can't tell no say your black people where they Europe, they give them job, they no one work. They don't give them. Another man won't tell you. If the job they don't will give you. They give to their people. But UK now where they talk now, many of them have no job. Many have no job. But they say make black Africa Nigeria can't come because they don't say if they talk that one because Nigeria like abroad or God time down this will go forget abroad. Abroad not even good again. Abroad not a problem. Many things they go on. Your black people wait there among 1,000 people wait there abroad. 100 now only 5% make them. The other 95% they still struggle. They go. They can't tell you everything until you come. You will see them. That's why you see say after they talk now tomorrow you come say one girl will come go there. You come say yes I finished my PhD but now I'm not a cleaner in a hotel. I never thought this could happen. Now that's what they tell they deceive themselves. I never thought this could happen. Today I'm not a cleaner in a hotel. You don't know before say you will be cleaner. If the person because with the talker you know say you will be cleaner. Tomorrow you will see say what they call legit TV bring somebody come out. He say study in Finland or UK. She's not a cleaner or it's not a trash picker. You don't know say you go pick trash. You they believe everything. Or if you don't deceive una for years that they use una leader they deceive una. Mazuna they count they preach truth on I hate them. We they preach truth and hate us. Because we go tell the truth till we die. You understand? Oyibo can never give you that thing where you want. I want to make you know. Makuna dead here. Everything where they see Oyibo follow Fulani, they do evil because they feel manipulate and they destroy African land. Go France up to today. Every land where Fulani they live for West Africa, France manipulate them against their own safety. Today terrorists food their land. They steal their gold. France is one of the most poorest land. Land where they see go many places they don't get houses. People full street. Now we they tell us people they sleep street, no job, nothing. This is France. But now they go still come they feel say they be God. But their own people they make them okay. But your black people where food there, they don't get chance. But tomorrow they steal everywhere where they your land. Go France now. Go. I don't know where they go just pack people. More just can't do talk. Go see your people, black people, all Africans for the way that they live, they have no life. The people in France, the blacks. But the France white that they live well. Those who not get job, not be all France get job. Those who not get job for France, that they give them money where they take they eat. That's the white. That's what they do their system. But tomorrow they'll still come to you, can't lie to you because they won't steal your resources. You'll send me the packer. Because you won't go Europe. Why don't I go learn how to build in our own place? I just ask. Why don't I go learn how to build in our own place? Italy now, they will still come lie to you. Say make you come, Italy, they're okay. Your government go say, Italy don't talk, go. Everybody go, they happy. You will see people like John Osage, they no go. They go, they say social community need people, they go, they give you 700. Italy. Now, if you see, say they go promise blacks something, they don't go do them. They be number one for that one. But within themselves, that they do what they want. They know they lie to themselves. I want to make you know. This guy, they don't do anything. See, I just laugh. They don't send you. Go, you get phone, check how many Italy no get job. You will see even that what else Italian youth because we get current. That's we they read newspaper, we they watch news. You also say Italian white, that the people who don't get you also say their citizens who don't get job, there is 20% who don't get job. But all of a sudden they pay them money when they take they eat. But tomorrow they'll still come meet you say, make you come work. Where be say 20% no get job. They'll call your country, say they get job for now, skills, this one. Everybody go, they happy because they won't steal. Spend the same thing when you they here today. Many of the youth, you will go check and you get phone that will tell you from 18 to so they have no job. But that they pay them, or maybe their parents, they get farm, they get where they take they live. That's how they take they survive. Government, they give them small money so that the thing don't go exposed. Now make their life balance. So that make you say your black people will food at the end of the day, they struggle, no job that they manage. Those who still manage get, they will constantly call camera, they both say they get job. Yeah, thank God for them. But it's not like that for everybody. Oh, I don't know if I want to talk to black. So, Catalan Lane, where you come to tell them, no let them deceive now with PhD or this one, that one, no. No let anybody. I thank God say, I think you grandson they tell you now every day. That one every time that kitchen for the do your thing, where they cook. He don't tell you already. He go school, they study everything. He don't get job. At least Adenika grandson will not be illiterate. He's very fluent. The guy is very fluent. He's educated person. He's very intelligent. You guys know that. The guy has been telling you that he have no job. The guy has no job. No job. Because he's not an English person. The only job that they can offer that can maybe cleaning all this. But in Nigeria, for example, if Nigeria were to be a good country, that guy would be in a good position because the guy is educated. Let's not lie to ourselves. He's intelligent. But look at the way he's living. That is how many of your people are living. That is how many UK too are living. They have no job. We watch TV every day. Make us no deceive. And now, not how they tell us, now zoo, now when they talk to, not be we. When we say when they watch TV, CNN, France 24, every blessed day, as they come out here and walk on my TV. We they sit them, they have no job, that they interview, that they complain. I have so master, but I have no job, but I'm still searching. They will ask them, how are you surviving? And we are surviving through social and this. And now, the idiot won't come tell us, say now, he want to walk out from Oba Palace to Oni Palace to Obio Furniture Palace. They tell them, say, they won't help you, give you a PhD, more can't go school. More than no waste to na money, oh. It's better you use your money, go start farming and do another thing, make money because China no be people wey get PhD they take build China. But the fact is everybody must go secondary school and primary school for white man land. Then after that, go find what you want to do. All those who won't continue, may they continue. Plan well or not go waste your money for any UK because tomorrow we no want hear why legit go they write every day say somebody finish PhD is cleaner is this they clean toilet they take care of old woman. Now you put yourself on so a bill. That's why it be. Make British job where they won't go. So, Catalan, that job that you want to give to our people, give it to your people that have no job in the UK. And if you can't do that too, we have so many Africans who are living in the UK who have no job. You can give them that job. We don't want your free, your education program or whatsoever you call it. We don't want it. Keep it, give it to your people. There are so many black people who are living in the UK who have no job. Give them that chance. At least they need it. They are in the UK. Give them the chance. You don't need to come to Africa to pretend that you want to help Africans. Meanwhile, there are so many Africans in the UK that have no job. Why don't you help them? Because after all, they're in the UK already. Why do you need to come to Africa to pick other people? No, just make use of the ones in your land. Help them. Make them be useful. Let them be useful for once. Yes, change their life. Send them to that school so that they will have good life. Don't come to Africa to pick some other people. The one you have, if you are serious, if you are not lying to yourself, you deceitful UK government, help the blacks in your country. There are so many immigrants who have no job, who have no document. Help them, send them to school, train them. You don't need to come to Africa to pick other people. It's the fact. It's the fact. You have so many immigrants there, refugee, whatsoever you call our black people there. Give them those jobs. They need chance. They have refugee. You have them. They have immigrants. So many of them who have no job, who live in a dirty refugee home. Use that money or millions of dollars that you want to use to help our people. Use it to better the life of our brothers there. At least we'll be happy. You don't need to come to add more suffer to our people's life. The one there, help them. At least if you help those ones there, those ones will help those at home. It's better. Don't come and disturb our life again with this your deceitful tongue. Don't come. People should want UK. UK government should stop taking our people for granted. You should stop fooling Africans. Stop fooling Nigerians because of your greediness. Stop fooling them. Those money that you were thinking you were going to use on our people from Africa, use it on our black people in UK. We have them there, so many of them who have no job, who are homeless. Help them. You have so many homeless people. I don't know what is wrong with you guys. So many homeless people in the UK that you help them. You don't need to come to Africa to add more people to it. The ones, at least if you help our people in the UK, those ones where they are okay, then we help our people at home. It's good. See, I don't know what to tell you guys. These people have been deceiving us for long. Today, I said it's like that everywhere in the Europe. Those ones here will tell you, we are coming to Africa. Ask them to help the Africans they have in their land. Before coming, because African in Europe, they are not more than 10 million. So if the European, they cannot help 10 million people, how will they come to Africa land and tell you they are coming to help 1 billion? Because the people in Africa, they are almost 1 billion people. And idiots cannot help 10 million people. Then they will come to Africans and telling you we are going to help 1 billion. What kind of lie is that? Oh, goodness. It's very horrible. Now, boo-boo, for them Igbe, all the idiots, tell them, say, their Buhari don't release 10 million, they don't release 1,900 Boko Haram. And people go ask now, say, this 1,100 Boko Haram and 900 Boko Haram, 1,009 Boko Haram, what did they want use them do? Where they want use them? Now they be the missionary. As they release them out of the park, they come south. They become military. They go poop them for military. They come into the south. Then they begin to kill our people with guns. And you said you have UN. What if UN love you, African? Why don't UN report it in your land? Because UN is seeing it. UN have base in everywhere all over the world. They are seeing it. UN know very well that Nigeria government, Buhari just released 1,009 Boko Haram into the society, and they are not military. They will bring them to the south to start killing the people of the south and be giving our land to Fulani. They start killing the people of Oduduwa and the people of Biafra. And the UN remain mute. So you Southern youth, if you don't wake up, I'm telling you now, Igbe Abodage Okosun, Bunda Civilian, Oguname, and the other Fulefu and Sabatua youth we have in the south, they just released 1,900 Boko Haram, and they are bringing them down to the south. Buhari just released them, and they are putting them into army. They are going to ship them down to the south to deal with you guys. Should I say it again? They are bringing them down to your land to deal with you guys. They are bringing down to you to show you how to be good. They are bringing them down to your land. So you guys should be ready. Oduduwa youth and Biafra youth, the Southern youth will be, so some of the Southern youth will be a fool, the Muguns, hypocrites, where they pretend say they love Nigeria, but Fulani hate Nigeria more than you, but you they pretend say you love them. That they bring una friend, they will soon visit una for una forest and una bush, as they do as usual. So, all of now, men of now, they say una last prayer because they come already. You see, people go they ask, these are machinery. These guys that Buhari just released, that Fulani government just released, these are the people that the Fulanis are using to be destroying the land, to be conquering, to be killing the people of Oduduwa, to be killing the people of Biafra, to be helping the Fulani herdsmen terrorists, to be killing our innocent people and giving the land to Fulani. So because I don't know who is deceiving who here, these are their machinery. If you don't know, they are the machineries they are using to be killing you guys in the south. Huh? don't try this evening. Now hear the word where Gumi talk. You hear the word where Gumi talk. Gumi say, it's a Fulani. I gonna come here. Hypocrites will come from the south. But I come here. All hypocrites will come from the south. Nigeria, more I come hear the truth. Gumi the tell una say, it's a kidnapping and normal. He say Fulani that they kidnap babies, that they kidnap children, and the money that they kidnap them for. He admit it, say that they kidnap them for money, and that they kill all those people. You see what they come out for Imam Mat, where they come out for leader Mat, they tell us say Fulani they kidnap, or they kidnap for money, and they only take money, they kidnap only children. As if say children are you supposed to kidnap. You hear what the human being they talk. So does such person sound like educated person? Because there's no educated person that will talk like that. Even if you are mad, and that is why I tell you Fulani they don't understand the education, they don't go to school. Can you see what someone will come out to say in the public, in BBC Pidgin? This man is saying Fulani has made terrorists. They kidnap little baby. They kidnap little children, and they take money from them. Can you see what is coming from the mouth of a leader or imam? And tomorrow you will think they are educated people? They are insane. Because there is no place in the world you can hear something from a brilliant, or should I say educated person mouth. You can hear that. This man is justifying evil. I hope you guys are getting me. You getting my point. What I mean by Fulani don't understand education. That is what I mean. They don't want it. Even the professor will come tomorrow and talk sarcastically. They will come and talk foolishly. Softly. See what is somebody they talk. This one, grown up man with BS, imam, what do they call them? The English word that they use for the clergyman, you know, you love baby grammar, they call them clergymen. Clergyman, what thing they use be that? They tell us, if they justify kidnapping, say that they kidnap children, now money that they collect. Say not normal, they are not destroying property, now human being that they kidnap, that they collect money. Our land, which people destroy our farmland, they rape our mother. The people where they kill for Ubiaja of recent, 4 or 5 people, where the parents or they kill them, now babies they be. People where they kidnap, they kill, they go for across all Biafra land, all this were their babies. Oh, all the Sultan, should I say, Emir that they just kidnapped of recent in the north is also a baby. I don't understand what idiot they can't justify. And people go remain mute. If not, be serious youth by now. Everybody, like over 1 million to 2 million Nigerians suppose don't send video message to that man. For that word alone. They will not so serious. The word go see him. Now when they tag him for all video. Over 1 million people suppose don't send message to that man. Through video. He said, na little baby, you died at the kidnap. He said, na he born them. Now in children, they give you to hold. May you hold on for me. Tomorrow I can't give you money, can't collect. What a big crime. Where people say idiot they justify. And they say more could remain silent. Huh? What we tell us say these people, they are hopeless people. That idiot what they call Ali Ndume. Ali Ndume, I think his name is Ali Ndume. One senator from the north. He don't already tell now. If not believe in electronics, they don't believe in electronics because in the north network no day. There is no network to be checking electronics voting card. They have no time for it. They have no time to be checking electronics voters card. So it's not their business. So they have no network to do that. So in the north they have no network. But in the south, you have network. That is to tell you that these people have been, they are very good in, should I say, election malpractice. They are very good in election fraud. It's their job. So they tell us, network, okay, so you have no network in the north. Now, let me tell you something. This money that you'll be stealing from the south, and this money that you've been using to be to be sponsoring Fulani herdsmen, terrorists, and Boko Haram. Use that money to fix your network. At least it's bad. Since you have no network, you'll be stealing from Nigerian treasure. You'll be stealing from us. This money is enough, and this money you'll be stealing, you'll be giving it to Fulani herdsmen, terrorists, to be buying weapons for Boko Haram, for ISWAP, and all that. Use that money to fix your network. Me will tell now say Nigeria government they no serious, they no believe in now we be Southern and now be hypocrite, and that hypocrite now they kill now they go. Now me talk, it's true. Now I know say hypocrite go continue to they kill many of now they go because those many of those Southerners will be say they be hypocrite go kill now till now die. But we hypocrite no kill us because we are free. We not be hypocrite. We talk truth. We tell you the way it be. That's why we be free mass. We talk and finish now. We they go house, drink water. Relax, we enjoy, we pray. God see us through because we are free person. We have free mind. We tell you the truth the way it is. We don't hate anybody. We don't hate anybody. But we stand on the truth. Now you will be hypocrite. Now you go remain hypocrite forever. That's how it be. Yahoo boys. Now make I tell you this one. Una oga at the top, Buhari don't say very soon all those hotel owner for the lodge. If they catch the owner, they go sentence that person to 5 years imprisonment. Now, you remember where the tell una say Yahoo no be job. Say many of una need to wake up and do the war struggle and Biafra struggle. More kuna forget life. At least get job, invest, become entrepreneur. You don't see China. You don't see Chinese people. Little boy of 15, little boy of 20, 18, he don't get your own business. Big one. Before this 25, it's $1 million. Now Yahoo they take one. Yahoo can't give you nothing. Yahoo, now that money you get that you steal because you can't use and do nothing because not be you work at too. You thief and more could not hide anything. He said you are a criminal. You steal that money. You steal the money, finish at the end of the day. Now beer you go use and drink, buy car. Maybe one day you get accident with the car. You marry woman at the end of the day. Maybe one day you born one eat best side or your picking that because you be thief in nature. That's the truth. But if you fight for Biafra or do what you create good life for yourself. You can become an entrepreneur on your own. You become CEO. The way before, go look China youth for everywhere, for Germany, for Italy. Anywhere you see them, why are they excelling? Because they have good country. They have good leader where if he help them. This is what you want. Not be still, they will just use criminal law and know everybody. They use criminal law. The reason why you see almost all Chinese today, the Chinese youth, they are entrepreneurs anywhere you find them. You don't see Chinese will be asylum seeker. Now, the seekers. What they concern Chinese way won't go seek asylum. If Chinese even enter your land today, your government will even give them money borrow. In a year, you don't become millionaire. I just tell you the truth. That they come Europe, go everywhere, go America, that they give them money to start business. In a year, they don't reach. So why don't you become? Why? Because they have good environment, they have good country, they have good leaders that stand for them. So this is what you want. It's better you join out together and fight for Biafra and do the war so that you will create life for yourself. When you are 20, 25, you can be an entrepreneur, have small business on your own, and have workers that are working under you. At the end of the day, before you know it, 2, 4, 5 years, you can become millionaire in dollar, genuine business. How many CEO do you have in China? A lot of them, a lot of those guys, many millions of them. You can also do the same thing in Biafra land or do the war land. Not this Yahoo. I don't know what they worry Africa. How you think say you want to use and becomes. Let's not hide the truth. You are a thief. Now the truth, you are not different from your leader. You are a thief now. Not be you work put. Person when you thief him money go swear for you. Whether Oyibo now or black, thief na thief. Anywhere you for collect now Oyibo poor person collect the money from you. If Oyibo ruin Africa, those wey ruin our land now their leader. So I been our Igbo leader, you they collect the money from their hand. So you can't just, you be thief. Now more no hide anything, you are a thief. That's why many of them today, now they grow old again, now they die, get accident, you die, you thief, you die, your wife born it die, you born it better, you born this one, you born rubbish, you hate accident, you die for their trouble everywhere because it's not your money. How long you want to live like this? I just ask you. So it's better all of you join or do the war struggle and Biafra struggle more than for live good life. Okay? Don't let anybody deceive you. Thief not thief. That's why for Nigeria today, they hate you. They hate you everywhere. Una way they call Nigeria, they want to see you. Italy hate Nigeria. German hate Nigeria. UK hate Nigeria, forget the pretend. Everybody hate Nigeria because of crime wey dey everywhere. Because you have no country. Because your leaders, your government, they are criminals. All of them, your government, they are criminals. And for 40% of the youth today, or 50%, the government have also turned them to criminal. They are thieves. So now we are trying to fight to get a country that can change your life. It's better you join Oduduwa struggle and Biafra struggle. So that when time comes, you will have a country whereby every year, the government will be drawing out budget for the youth. Like just the way it is in Europe. We must draw out budget for the youth every year. So that you can be useful for once. So that you can be useful for once. Don't let anybody deceive you. You are not useful. Now the truth. No, no hide anything. You steal, you be thief. Huh? You dey do ritual, you kill your woman, you kill mamas and kill papa, you steal woman part. Can you imagine Chinese youth come they steal their girlfriend part, you want to make money, and you are proud, yeah, I'm proud of my Nigeria. Come they steal their youth part, in girlfriend part, you want to make money, or want to, it doesn't make sense. So join Oduduwa and Biafra, I don't talk my own. So now what I fit tell you this evening be this. Una do well. At least we don't try. So Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be free. That one is 100%. He will be free very soon. Yes, I don't tell una the truth what I tell una this evening. So that's why I talk and reach. Whether una learn or no learn, but I don't tell una, I will give una the message. You know, say, we know the fear to talk to fuck nash. We just tell you the truth. Thief na thief. Don't let anybody deceive you. Nigerian government, they be thief. You wait, go do Yahoo. We don't say not be your fault. Now Nigerian government put you wait to be Yahoo. You be thief too, but the fact be said, you go must change. Join the Biafra and Oduduwa to fight and get better life. Live good life. And they ask you, they see all those Chinese young youth, they see that they call them CEO, they come, they control you. You just say now they do them. No, they get good country. They are leader, now make them possible. Now make you see say Chinese of 20 years or 15 years or 18 years go come Nigeria now, it go they control you, it don't get small company. Why you know the thing to be like that? Who make them possible for them? They are leader and their country. You don't get country. That is why you must join the movie trend. You know, Buhari, he don't already invest for una. He go come for una one day. Because you don't know where una for the get money, where una they take they enjoy always. He don't already see and say, as he they hit rich, the Southerner now still they enjoy. Because now many of them be Yahoo, is the truth. Now they use and they enjoy the youth. Now use and they chop. So for that reason, he go come for una. So by the time you don't they hammer on now go wake up, John Oduduwa and Biafra struggle. You know, say, our people say, I say you learn you never woman never see true race, now the whole waist, now the whole breast. You never see true race, now make you they believe in one Nigeria. If you see true race, now go join Biafra and Oduduwa very soon. Buhari don't they come small. You see all those one where they catch for you street, all the way they call what they call it? They call the Curtis and all that way pull way fry head like this. All of them they claim one Nigeria. If now Oduduwa you they claim now Biafra you they claim, therefore no humiliate you like that. You for know your way. You for know your way how to stand your way. And they tell you now the truth. If you all those youth where they catch out whether they paint Curtis, they call their name. If now Oduduwa that they claim, or Biafrans that they claim, they just did, they be IPOB, they did, they be Oduduwa, that they were, that they claim those Oduduwa agitated. Therefore, get sense, they manage themselves. You know, so then they feel saying, now they get Nigeria, now we love Nigeria, we can play anyhow. No, never see, now we don't want Nigeria lead you now to be that. So, more can I never wake up, more I continue to do it. Me, I don't send anybody, because if I come Nigeria, I would, any time we be say Biafra come, I would day where I would day my fatherland, enjoy. Now, the truth. So, everybody, we must wake up to fight and get Biafra. Now, wait till I tell you be that this evening. So, Yahoo boys, now I'll be the next target. Buhari, they come for not me talking. He don't already tell you. So, this evening, I won't read this verse for everybody to tell you how much God loves us and that God loves Biafrans. We must be free. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu must be free. Let them release Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Fast. Nobody can stop the coming of Biafra. Now, I take this verse. This is the Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1. Let's say we're going to take it verse 1 to I don't know, let's take it to 18. It will be good. So I'm going to read it carefully and everybody will understand. This is the word of God to the people of Biafrans and Oduduwa. This is Isaiah chapter 43, verse 1 to 18. I read. Said, but now, thus said the Lord, that created thee, O Jacob, and he that formed thee, O Israel. Fear not, for I have redeemed thee. I have called thee by thy name. Thou art mine. When thou passest through the waters, I will be with thee. And through the rivers, they shall not overflow thee. When thou walkest through the fire, thou shalt not be burned, neither shall the flame kindle upon thee. For I am the Lord thy God, the Holy One of Israel, thy Savior. I gave Egypt for thy ransom, Ethiopia and Seba for thee. Since thou wast precious in my sight, thou hast been honorable, and I have loved thee. Therefore will I give men for thee, and people for thy life. That's so. Bible they tell us say, he love you, the people of Biafra and Oduduwa. He will stand for you. He will fight for Mount Nnamdi Kanu. He said you should fear not. He is with you. He gave Egypt for thy ransom and Ethiopia for thee. So for that reason, God will continue fighting for you guys. Then verse 5 says, fear not, for I am with thee. I will bring thy seed from the east and gather thee from the west. And I will say to the north, give up to the south. Keep not back, bring my son from far and my daughters from the end of the earth. Even everyone that is called by my name, for I have created him for my glory. I have formed him, yea, I have made him, and bring forth the blind people that have eyes and the deaf that have ears. Now, you hear where did this verse they talk? He said, I will say to the north, give up to the south, and keep not back, brings my son from far and my daughters from the end of the earth. You see, God saying, you go tell the north to give up upon you. God did not, they are going to give up. And he said he will bring the seed from the east and gather them from the west. So this is word of God. He will bring the seed. We are the seed of the God, of God Almighty, of Elohim. He will bring the seed from the east and gather thee from the west. And he will bring all our people that spread all over the world according to him and bring them together to enjoy the wonderful nation that God wants us to be, and that is Biafra. You see, this is in the Bible. I'm not the one saying it. Today we are spread all over the world. And who are the people that are scattered all over the world? Is it not we? It's we now, no other person. Biafra, they are all over the world. You come to Italy, you find the Benin, the Esan, the Jaw, the Shekiri, and the Yorubas. Where you go to the other land, you find the Igbos everywhere. Normally, you are not supposed to be living like that. He said he will bring every one of you together to start living in peace and enjoying that wonderful land that he wants you to be. Now I take verse 9. Verse 9 says, let all the nations be gathered together, and let the people be assembled, who among them can declare this and show us former things. Let them bring forth their witness, that they may be justified, or let them hear and say it is truth. Here are my witness, said the Lord, my servant, whom I have chosen, that ye may know and believe me, and understand that I am he. Before me there was no God formed, neither shall there be after me. Yes, God have chosen us, have chosen Mount Nnamdi Kanu, and we keep fighting. And verse 11 says, I, even I, am the Lord, and beside me there is no Savior. He said, I have declared and I have saved, and I have showed when there was no strange God among you. Therefore, Here are my witnesses. Here are my witnesses, said the Lord, that I am the God. Here, before the day was I am He. I am there is no, and there is no that can deliver out of my hand. I will walk, and who shall let it? Thus said the Lord, your Redeemer, the Holy One of Israel. For your sake I have sent to Babylon, and have brought down all their nobles and the Chaldeans, and whose cry is in the ships. I am the Lord, your holy ones, the creator of Israel, your kings. Thus said the Lord, which maketh a way in the sea, and a path in the mighty waters, which bringeth forth the chariot and horse, the army and the power. They shall lie down together, they shall not rise, they are extinct, they are quenched as stubble. God said he will, I greet you, my sister, he will quench all, the army, the Chaldeans. God will bring every one of them down. You know, see, even Chaldeans still dey Bible. Now then they destroy our land, so very bad people. God saying go, the Lord said, he said, he will bring the Babylon down, the noble Babylon, the Fulani, they are Babylons, Chaldeans. Now he mentioned all of them here. They go cry and he go bring down their sheep. They are all Babylons. God say he go bring them down for your own sake. Who even know? I don't even know say Chaldeans even the Bible. You know, see, as the bad, they all of them, Chaldeans and the Fulani, all of them be yeye people. And Babylon, Fulani, they be Babylon too. They are mad people. God said all their armies and their horses and all that, he go bring them down, he go make them go extinct, they no go exist, he go quench them for your own sake. And verse 18 says, remember ye not the former things, neither consider the things of old. Behold, I will do a new thing. Now it shall spring forth. Shall ye not know it? I will even make a way in the wilderness and rivers in the heart. The beast of the field shall honor me, and the dragon and the owls, because I give water in the wilderness and rivers in the desert to give drinks to my people and my choosing. These people have I formed for myself, and they shall show forth my praise. Yeah. Hallelujah. We are the children of God. I want you guys to know that God say he go make good place for every one of us. We, the great people of Biafra and Oduduwa. And definitely that place is going to come. And that place is Biafra. He go make that wonderful place for us. He go make am wonderful, wonderful. He go bring down your enemy. I be make a read that for you. He said the army, the powers. He said the powers, the army, all of them go lie down. They no go rise up again. He go quench them. He go make them come. They make them go extinct. They no go exist again. So God is already doing that. Choosing one, he said it over and over and over and again. We are the choosing one. Mazunadi Kanu is the choosing one. God is fighting for you. I just want you to know that. And I would like to take this verse before I close for the day. Again, this is the same Isaiah chapter 55, verse 55. Isaiah chapter 55, verse... yes, verse 12. Let's take it verse 12 to 15 to be good. To be good. Verse 5 to 15. Now, verse 12 says, I will make thy windows of agates, and thy gates of carbuncles, and all thy borders of pleasant stone, and all thy children shall be taught of the Lord, and great shall be the peace of their children. In righteousness shalt thou be established. Thou shalt be far from oppression. For thou shalt not fear, thou shalt not fear, and from terror, for it shall not come near thee. Behold, they shall surely gather together, but not by my name, not by me. Whosoever shall gather together against thee shall fall for thy sake. Behold, I have created the smith that bloweth the coals in the fire, and that bringeth forth an instrument for his work. And I have created the waster to destroy. No weapon that form against thee shall prosper, and every tongue that shall rise against thee in judgment thou shalt condemn. This is the heritage of the servant of the Lord, and the righteous the righteousness is of me, said the Lord. Now, the Bible, it talk about carbuncles. Carbuncles, somehow, according to the explanation, is like an iron wey be say, a gate wey be say, it be like fire, and if you nobody go fit come through there, unless maybe another thing. But with the power of God, nobody go fit come, because that thing dey there. God saying, don't use this thing to protect we, the children of God, who will be far from the oppression. And then we are fighting today, but we will be far from the oppression. And the Lord said again that, for thou shalt not fear, and from terror, for it shall not come near thee. No fear. We keep fighting. We don't need to be afraid of our enemy. We'll keep fighting. You don't have to be afraid, for the Lord is with you. He said, behold, they shall surely gather together, but not by me. Whosoever shall gather together against thee shall fall for thy sake. Anybody will gather against us, against Biafra, against Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, against IPOB, against Oduduwa, they shall all fall for thy sake. This is the word of God. They shall all be destroyed for your own sake. For good things to come into your life, all of them will fall. So God is with us. May I believe in God 100% that Biafra is going to come. And I keep telling you this always. And Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be released very soon, because not everything I will be telling you, but I've spoke to many of our activists too. Mazi Nnamdi Kanu will be out soon, and Biafra is going to come. I want you guys to know that. Let's just keep praying for him and keep fighting and keep doing the work that we're doing right now. Let's keep doing it. We don't need to give up. We must fight and fight and fight until Biafra come. That is the truth. Biafra must come. So I want you guys to remain strong. And no weapon formed against you shall prosper. And every tongue that rise against you shall all be condemned. Anyone that rise up, every tongue that rise against thee in judgment shall all be condemned. And God said at the end, this is the heritage of the servant of the Lord, and their righteousness is of me, said the Lord. So God is with you. And remain blessed, my people. Let's be strong, because this one. We must be free. So thank you very much, my people. At least I don't try this evening. I've tried my best. We must be free. And thank you all, my people. I see you, Queen Ogefo. I was trying to reach you. Was it yesterday? Anyway, maybe I will call you later in the day. I don't know, or tomorrow. Tomorrow will be better. I need to discuss with you. And then I see you, all my people. I see you, Honey Best. I see every one of you. Thank you very much, my people. May God bless you. And good night. Good night. Good night.